Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and video to your gallery. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to just go to any of the chats. Okay, let me go over to this chart here and go over to the profile side, and you are going to see save to photo. And let me go over. As you can see, is on default, which is off. You can also go to always or never. So here is off. So if you want to turn it, you can just go over to always. And the other step is for you to go over to your setting, which is you here, and move over to chat. And over here you're going to see save to photo. As you can see, is on already. Over here it says automatically save photos and video you receive to your photo, which is your gallery. So if you want to turn it off, just go over here and do this, and you've turned it off. You doing this, you'll be able to receive any video or photo in your gallery, or else you decide to save it by yourself. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time guys. Bye.